Hello buddies, finally we are on Linux, that is set up as a dual OS. To know more about how to install Linux, do check out my previous videos. Now let's get back to our ultimate goal and see how to install Python into Linux, for which we initially started. So first let's go to the terminal and type sudo apt-get install Python. And that's it, Python is installed. To confirm it, just type Python, which will be default saved as an environment variable on installation. This enters the Python shell mode. You can see that this installed Python 2.7.12 version of Python, which is Python 2. There are two main versions of Python, which is Python 2 and Python 3. So Python 3 has much more packages than Python 2, which helps and supports many machine learning, computer vision, and many other advanced functions that we will see in later videos. So let's install Python 3 also for now. Type exit and to get out of this Python, and type sudo apt-get install Python 3. It says Python 3 is already present, hence by default Ubuntu has Python 3 installed with the OS. To confirm that, type Python 3 as well. This entered the Python 3 command mode, and you can see it is installed as Python 3.5.2, which will be the latest. Hence, now we have both Python 2 and Python 3 installed successfully. Thank you guys, keep watching and enjoy learning.